Summary of day one of the tour. Flew from Joburg International Airport to Dubai. From Dubai, got to Heathrow. Both of them not bad flights at all. Really bad movies on Emirates, surprisingly. But once I arrived in Heathrow, was met by my aunt and uncle. Took the underground tubes all the way to Bloomsbury. Took quite a while. Quite a good experience as tubes. Not so limited as our Gautrains when it works. Well, but yeah, it was a really awesome experience. Got to see both the old architecture style and the modern style of London. But London itself seems pretty much what I expected from movies, and yeah, so it wasn't a surprise to see. And once I got to the hotel, settled in, went for lunch with my aunt and uncle, met the Kontiki group, quite a few good South African people. I made some nice friends, and yeah, off to bed now and depart for Paris in the morning. Awesome.